Prior to moving to this facility, we actually had 3 different warehouses that processed e-commerce orders, mom and pop beauty shop orders, and retail store. But by purchasing this facility, we were able to combine all of the inventory and the order processing. I was approached by managers to see what kind of automation systems that's out in the market. I started to do some feasibility tests with different vendors, and we ended up selecting MMCI.
It's very flexible, easy to be adapted to any kind of product. Really not require a lot of maintenance. I mean, not downtime actually, and easy to control.
So they were able to propose picking systems like pick-to-light, A-frame, shelf picking, batch picking, cluster picking, stuff like that. Because all the inventory is in one facility, it's easy to handle the inventory and manage it and process it at the same time.